Today I'm meeting Mo at my house and we're going for a ride. Going to Patten, Maine, where Mo has a camper set up and gonna spend the night there. Do a little camp out. Should be a good ride. We're gonna try and do mostly dirt all the way there. And first we need to go to Medford. This is the second weekend in a row that I've been camping. I have to thank my wife for watching those kids while I go have my little adventures. There's Mo, and we are headed out. I have some new gear items this trip. The first thing is rock straps. I had a strap get ripped off one of my saddlebags a few rides ago. It was last year. And so I replaced it with a rock strap. And then I ended up cutting the other strap off on that side and replacing both of them with rock straps. I'm also using rock straps on my top case, and they are awesome. Cinch right up tight. They stay tight. Couldn't ask for anything better. I love them. Here we are in Medford, on the Trestle Road. This is where the railroad bed starts, pretty much where it starts. And we hope to take it all the way to Patten. This trail has some pretty good whoops in it. You can get a little bit of air off some of them. And it's pretty intense at some points, but most part, it's just a lot of fun. I also have a new jacket. This is a Scorpion Yukon jacket, which I really liked. I got a really good price on it. They're about $400 to $500 depending on where you buy them from, and I got this one for about $300. So pretty happy with the price. It might look like it's a little too large, but actually I tried the next size down and could barely get it on. So it's definitely the right size. It's just a little weird the way it fits, but that's okay. It is super comfortable, kept me really warm, did a great job of blocking the air, and then it has huge vents where when you open them up, you just get tons of air. This was a really nice area to go through, what with the wetlands and the trees starting to change colors. Had some really good views, even though that's a real sign of the end of the summer. It's too bad I don't like it. I can certainly enjoy it while it lasts. See if I can stop down there. this was a pretty nice place to stop. This is the east branch of the Penobscot River. And not a bad spot to have a beer, get some drone footage. Then it's time to head out. Now we're coming around the bottom of Endless Lake, where there are a couple of campsites where I'd like to stay at some point. And there's also this really funky walking bridge that you can't get over with an ATV, but you can with a motorcycle. We stopped at the Sawmill Bar and Grill in Millinocket for lunch. We also stopped at the Shin Pond Pub for a beer before we got to the campsite. There was almost no one there except for us. And Mo decides that he's going to show me how to do a fire by fire steel. I've had some issues with it when I'm camping. Haven't been able to get a fire going. I've done it at home a couple times with some really dry wood and some shavings, but can't seem to do it with stuff that I scavenge. So he gets to work collecting up all kinds of birch bark and some wood that we split up, and he's going to give it a shot. I'm pretty confident that he knows what he's doing. He's a registered Maine guide and also big into Boy Scouts, so he's done this before, and he's going to give me some pointers.
Oh, I see.
It's almost dark.
All right. You see, you didn't give me that ahead of time. Do you scrape any of this into it?
Ooh, there we go.
Maybe.
Nope.
There it goes.
Oh, there we go. Feed it.
We gotta feed it.
Yeah, you have too much birch bark.
That's the key.
And it is not long before we have a roaring fire going. So we spent the night in the camper. It was a little too easy if you ask me, but yeah, I guess you can't complain. And then it was interstate all the way home, about 80 miles to Bangor. Quite a long trip, but totally worth it.